Big Brother about your new head of house, Chimsom Chuka?
He's going to do a good job. He's doing a good job. And now he has had the opportunity to watch other people, and then he has picked new things. So it's not as authoritative as it used to be.
I'm not going to be the one to say it, but Biggie, I don't feel like this wage over thing is going as planned. And I feel like also as HoH, you needed to be on that because it's a group task, it's a group wager. If you really want everybody to eat, then you would be on everybody's necks. But I feel like it's not even like he's lenient, Biggie. It's just that people in this house is very stubborn.
If you had asked me this question last week, oh, wait till I go talk. No go be better thing. But me and Chimsom, like, we've settled our differences and we had like a very, very long and deep conversation last week. So there's nothing this thing. But what I think about Chimsom is such an amazing person.
I feel he's not the same person he was first week. I preferred the... Was it first week? Yes, first week. I preferred the head of house first week, to be honest. But I think he feels like he did a lot of wrongs in his first reign. So he's trying to do right. And to be honest, people are not listening.
I think Chimsom was trying to be nicer this time because he was quite stern the first time. I think he's trying to be nicer. I think it wasn't a shock that he's back as head of house. He's highly competitive.
Nothing new, really. Because he was our first head of house, I already know what he's capable of and what he's like with that kind of responsibility.
He still has the spirit of a leader, but I think it's a little bit tainted with public opinion. It's good to receive public feedback, but sometimes it really, really, really begins to drive how you behave.
Chimsom Chuka has been like, was once ahead of. I told him that he's going to win again at that time because he really did great at that time. But now, Chimsom Chuka is very calm. We have been getting along of late, and I really admire his energy.